The Supreme Court cracking down on criminal politicians once again, ordering that trials of lawmakers accused of serious crimes must be completed within a year. If a trial court fails to meet that deadline, it will have to explain its reasons to the High Court. Last year, the Supreme Court had barred MPs and MLAs from elections if found guilty of offences carrying a jail term of at least 2 years.
Political leaders who can no longer use their clout to delay cases against them to prevent disqualification. The Supreme Court has ordered all lower courts to complete trials against MPs and MLAs within 1 year from the date of framing charges. A recommendation made by the Law Commission, an advisory body of legal experts under the Law Ministry. For extending the time, the trial judge will now have to approach the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. The order comes on a petition by NGO Public Interest Foundation, which wanted charge-sheeted persons to be stopped from contesting elections.
As soon as the new MLAs, MPs come to the parliament or to the legislatures, they will have to face this order and they will have to stand trial and face conviction.
The court order will affect a large number of legislators, including Jayalalitha, who is eyeing the Prime Minister's post. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha is facing corruption charges. Despite the Supreme Court's order in 2003 for day-to-day hearings, the case is still on. YSR Congress leader Jagan Reddy is also facing a disproportionate assets case, but the trial will have an impact only if he wins a Lok Sabha seat. Suresh Kalmadi, currently an MP, charged in the Commonwealth Games scam. Ashok Chavan, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, charged in the Adarsh scam. NCP MP Padam Singh Patil, accused of murdering a Congress leader in 2006. Former Karnataka Chief Minister and sitting MLA B.S. Yedurappa is also facing corruption charges probed by the CBI. Politicians cutting across party lines on record welcome the Supreme Court order.
These types of step and direction by the courts of our country will certainly help to clean the public life of this country.
राजनीतिज्ञ हो अथवा जितने भी लोग उच्च संवैधानिक पदों पर बैठे हैं, उनके विरुद्ध होने वाले ट्रायल्स में जितनी जल्दी हो सके उसका निस्तारण होना चाहिए और इसके संदर्भ में किए गए किसी भी सुझाव का व्यवहारिकता के दायरे में रहकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्वागत करेगी.
On the larger matter of whether framing of charges should be the trigger for disqualification of candidates and not conviction, as is currently the norm, the Supreme Court put off taking its decision, saying with elections around the corner, it would wait for a better day.
Lawbreakers should not become lawmakers. That is the intention of the Supreme Court. The top court recently has passed many orders, including instant disqualification of convicted legislatures. The deadline of 1 year completion of trial against MPs and MLAs may be a great thing, but will it work on the ground level? That's the big question. In New Delhi, Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, NDTV.